Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. Alright, so let's begin the video. First, if it happens when you click a link, start by clicking on the Windows button at the bottom of your screen and open your settings. In the settings menu, go to the left sidebar and click on Apps, then select Default Apps. In the search bar under Default Apps, type Edge and find it in the results. Scroll down to see the file types or link types associated with Microsoft Edge, such as HTTP and HTTPS. Click on each of these and select the browser you prefer to use instead of Edge. By doing this, you're changing the default web browser for those link types. Make sure to go through the entire list and set your preferred browser for all relevant link types. For instance, I've changed mine to Chrome, so now when I click a link, Chrome will open instead of Edge. So that's basically how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.